Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Swedbank Review My Usage Experience. Swedbank Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for users to review their financial transactions and activity within Swedbank. It's aimed at Swedbank customers who want to easily track their spending, monitor their accounts, and analyze their financial behavior. Key features likely include detailed transaction history, budgeting tools, and possibly some level of financial analysis. Their website provides details on specific functionalities. Swedbank, being a major bank, positions this service as a convenient and secure way to manage one's finances. The website highlights ease of use and security as key benefits. Pricing is integrated into existing Swedbank accounts, so there are no extra charges. It's unclear how this compares directly to competitors, as similar features are offered by other banks, but Swedbank emphasizes the seamless integration with their existing online banking platform. Availability is limited to Swedbank customers, of course. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Swedbank Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was incredibly easy. I simply logged into my regular Swedbank online banking and found the review section clearly labeled. The interface was intuitive and well organized. I could easily filter transactions by date, category, and amount. I used it to track my spending leading up to a recent vacation, which helped me identify areas where I could potentially save. The performance was consistently smooth and reliable. I never experienced any lag or glitches. I had a quick question about categorizing a specific transaction, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, which was great. I was really impressed by how clear and visually appealing the charts and graphs displaying my spending habits were. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to download my transaction history in a CSV file for use with my personal budgeting software. One minor drawback was the lack of mobile app. It's accessible only through the desktop website. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Swedbank Review My Usage Experience. It's a helpful tool that's well integrated into my banking routine. That's my overview of Swedbank Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.